Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raffi Yudan Rafael from grade 9. I'm here to talk about how to make your parents proud. First, you need to be smart. Your parents like a smart kid. You know what I'm saying? You need to be smart. Better than your neighbor. If your neighbor is smarter, hey man, you're in trouble. I'm not kidding, you're in trouble, but there we go. Need to be smart. 1. 2. You need to pray to Allah, because I'm Muslim, to Allah 5 times a day. So my parents will not mad at me if, you know what I'm saying, like not pray. If you not pray, your parents will mad at you. He'll smash you brutally. So I'm here to help you. Pray 5 times a day. Number 3, I guess, is to be better. You need to be better person, because you are grow up. Maybe your parents will see you grow up as well. Like, you are not a child anymore. You are going to grow up. Your parents will think you are grow up as well. So if you still like cry baby, you better change it off. You are grown man, not man, but you are grow up, man. Alright. Number 4, you need to be, don't be lazy. You need to focus on your, your school. Don't be lazy. Do your homeworks. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Do your homeworks. Don't lazy. Study. Right? I'm sorry. Manners. And respect your parents, of course. You need to respect your parents. Not only your parents, but older situation, like your grandpa, like the older stranger as well. You need to respect them. So your parents will like, oh my child, oh my god. Something like that. And the last thing is, do what your parent told you to do. That's the most. So many parents mad because of that. Yeah, if I'm parents, I will mad as well. Like, I born you. You are my kids. Now I command you to do something. Alright, that's all. Thank you for watching. My name is Raffi Yudan Rafael, again from grade 9. See you later.